Hi, I'm Johncrestani. I'm going to show you how I've been able to create my internet business from scratch to the point where it's fully automated and making me at least $1,000 every single day. I'm going to show you step by step my system for creating a fully automated internet business that's making me thousands and thousands of dollars every single month. Take the next step to taking back control and to living life the way you truly deserve. Clickbank, it's an amazing affiliate network which allows you to sell almost any product under the sun and make commissions. And I'll be showing you 6 free ways to promote these products and earn commissions online so you don't have to spend anything. So 6 methods. Let's get into it. I'll go over all of them and I'll show you a little bit about Clickbank for those of you who don't know about this amazing money opportunity on my computer. Let's see it. So for those of you not familiar with Clickbank, it's a really easy way to make money online. And Clickbank is what's known as an affiliate network, which means you don't have to set up a product, you don't have to do any support. You can simply promote other people's products and earn commissions off of them. So here I am on Clickbank. This is what the website looks like. And if you want to go to Clickbank, you can search clickbank.com. And you can go there, and then you want to click on their affiliate marketplace. You just click this search button, and you can find thousands of products that you can promote and earn commissions from. People will pay you to sell their products for them. And it shows you all of the different price points you can sell products for. Now, my product is also on there. If you see, my product is the #1 high ticket product, meaning you can earn large commissions if you refer people to be customers of mine. Now, in order to promote these products, all you have to do is you have to sign up with Clickbank and you have to click that promote button next to a product that you are interested in promoting. For instance, mine will click promote, and then we'll enter in my account nickname, which let's just say it's J1R2C. And there's a few landing pages you can select. And we'll click Generate Hop Link. Now here we go with our affiliate link, and you would just click Copy. Now what we'll be going over in this video are 6 different methods that you can get people seeing your link, targeted people seeing your affiliate link, clicking on it, and potentially buying the product without having to spend any money so you can earn real commissions doing so. And just a brief warning, before I go into these methods, I want to make clear that some of them are obvious, but the most important thing is you just get started, because you won't earn anything if you sit there on the sidelines, skeptical, typing in stuff about how this won't work or whatnot. You won't make any money if you don't post your links anywhere. The most important thing is, while these may seem obvious, that you just get started. Don't doubt the process. You get your links out there and you can start making some money. I did, millions of others have, you can too. So the first method, free method of getting your links out there is Instagram. Instagram is a very popular way you can build up followers of millions of people just by getting people to share your posts and putting out interesting or engaging content, or just reposting other people's content. Billions of people use Instagram. You can build up huge follower bases on Instagram, and this is a great method to get started. You can put your affiliate link in your profile. The second method starts with F. Can you guess what F stands for? F stands for Facebook, and Facebook is a really easy place to get started. And I'd say the best way to do Facebook is actually groups, okay? So starting a group around a subject matter that you're interested in promoting products in is a great way to really solidify what your niche is and get your links out there. For instance, weight loss, okay? Or for instance, I just did an example on my computer. I started a science fiction group for people who are interested in science fiction books, and I can be an affiliate for science fiction books through Amazon's affiliate program. You can start a Facebook group around anything, and it's free, and you can invite people to join your group, or you can encourage others by messaging them if you see they're interested in particular topics. The third way that you can get free traffic is Google. Now, the trick to Google is you need to put up blog posts consistently, on a consistent basis, whether that's every week, whether that's every month, whether that's every day. But the point is, Google wants to see that you are an active blogger on the long term. If you're going to get started in, for instance, financial advice, you want to put up blog posts every day. Now, there's a guy named Tim Chen, who's an affiliate marketer, who started his blog on financial advice and put up a blog post every single day. He made, I think, something like $1,000 his first year, putting up blog posts every single day. The second year, he only made $15,000. But today, his company, guess how big it, you may have heard of his site. It's called nerdwallet.com. And nerdwallet.com makes over $150 million per year. And they are an affiliate marketer, and it's from putting up blog posts every single day. But he barely made any money the first 2 years. Google's a great source of targeted traffic, but it is something that requires you to be in it for the long term. If you're just looking for a quick buck, like many of you millennials are, you're probably not going to last. What you need to do is you need to come from a source of strength. You need to be confident in what you want to help the world about and just keep at it. Whether it's right or it's wrong, you've just got to focus on it, stubborn like a bull, and just keep going, just like Tim Chen. He kept doing the same thing for 2 years without seeing much results, but he was able to create a big company because he knew what he was doing was offering value. He was helping people find financial service providers, and he believed in what he was doing. YouTube's one of my favorite places, and YouTube's a great place to get free traffic. For instance, me on this video, I'm teaching people about something I know about, which is affiliate marketing. But my belief is that everyone has value to give, whether that's some sort of experience, whether it's how to deal with recently divorced parents, or how to sleep train a child, or how to get a job as an electrician. Whatever it is, I believe everybody knows something that has some knowledge in here that can help others. And you've just got to put it on video. You've got to be courageous and put it on camera and help teach people about what it is that you are special about. I believe YouTube is the future of the education industry. We have people charging hundreds of thousands of dollars to go to school and to get degrees, and debt you can never get out of, whereas all of this is free on YouTube. And if you are loving this, and if you love learning on YouTube and love learning from me, slam that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and give this video a like, because, I love YouTube. I've learned so much for free on YouTube, and I believe it's a great place to learn, and I believe it's a great place to post up content and teach people about things. Whatever you're interested in, put up videos teaching people about a subject, or find other information, do research on that subject, and consolidate that information into a video to help others learn about methods to lose weight or whatever, and you can promote affiliate links of products that you can make commissions from. Really easy, straightforward, great place to advertise. The fifth method to get free traffic is actually affiliate referrals, okay? If you can refer affiliates, there are some programs that have what's called second-tier affiliate programs. Now, if you can refer affiliates through these other methods, or if you can just contact people at conferences or whatnot, and you refer affiliates to different programs, you can earn what's called second-tier commissions. This is kind of a complex subject. I'm not going to go too deep into this, but it gives you an extra sort of override. It's kind of like a referral fee. This last method I used to make over $1 million in 2017. It's pretty nutty that it's still around, and it's something that I actually spend a little bit of time teaching my students. Check this out. Ad coupons. Did you know you can get free advertising on many different ad networks? They give out coupons just to encourage you to advertise. I mean, the online space is so unsaturated. It's unbelievably unsaturated that these ad companies, the ad networks like Google, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Amazon, they give out free money for people just to sign up and get started advertising. And you can use this free money to turn it to reach real people with real ads and earn affiliate commissions from that. How cool is that? So those are the 6 methods of making money online with Clickbank for free. But again, none of these mean anything. None of these mean anything on a whiteboard. They only mean something if you put them into action. Again, the internet is wide open. But if you don't put these methods into action, you won't make any commissions and you'll just be left watching another YouTube video, and my time will have been a waste, and so will yours. But if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for future videos, give it a like, and leave me a comment and let me know which of these 6 methods, Instagram, Facebook, Google, YouTube, affiliate referrals, or ad coupons, is the most interesting to you, so I can shoot future videos about how to use these sources for free traffic. Thanks again, and if you have requests for future videos as well, leave it in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you soon. I put a little request in the top comment as well. If you can help me out, I'm really looking to get on Tim Ferriss's or Joe Rogan's podcast. So if you can do me a favor and send them a message or request them to get me on their podcast, that'll be great for me. Talk to you soon.